Hey guys, Shivam Pujari here. Welcome to SP7 Tech. So now that things have begun to ease out a bit and deliveries have commenced, I finally have the OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z, and these were launched in last month by OnePlus with the 8 series. So in this video, we are gonna do the unboxing and I'll give you my first impressions of the new OnePlus Bullets Wireless Z earphones. Here is the box in which these new Bullets Wireless Z earphones are at. The shape of the box is a bit different as compared to the older Bullets earphones. On the front, we can see the new OnePlus logo, and here is the talking point of these earphones: 10-minute charge for 10-hour usage and 20-hour battery backup. On the side, we can see the name of the earphones, and on the back, here are some more features mentioned which we'll cover in the later part of this video. The MRP printed on this is 2190 rupees, whereas officially it's been sold at a price tag of 1999 rupees. So let's unbox it. Sliding it out of the box, we see an image of the earphone. Turn it around and you'll find the earphones. Let's keep it aside for a bit and see what more do we get here. There is a box in which we get the Red Cable Club card, a user manual, and all the details about the earphones, which nobody reads. But hey, if you are bored in the lockdown and have nothing to do, then go through it. Otherwise, we also get an USB-A to USB-C cable and extra pairs of ear tips. These are the small and large sized, while the medium sized are installed on the earphones itself. Now, we don't get the magnetic silicone pouch which we used to get with the Bullets Wireless 1 and 2 earphones. And I think it's because of the cost cutting OnePlus has done to get the earphones priced at Rs 1999. Now let's get back to the earphones. The earphones are laid out pretty well in the box. Looking at its design, it's almost identical to the Bullets Wireless 2, with just some small changes here and there. The earphones have this glossy finish on the earpiece section, which also houses the magnetic control function. We have the 3-button switch over here, the volume up, down, and a button to receive and end a call or to launch your voice assistant. Further, we have an USB-C charging port, and a button is present over here to quickly switch between two devices. These earphones come with a neckband style design, and the material on the neckband is type of a soft silicone based material. And these earphones weigh just around 28 grams, so I think it would be comfortable for longer use. Design and build quality wise, it feels pretty good for the price point. Now let's pair it to the device. As these earphones come with Bluetooth 5.0, connectivity would be seamless. There is no power switch on these earphones, and you simply need to separate these earphones from each other and it powers on instantly. Also, these support quick pairing with OnePlus devices, that is the OnePlus 5 and above to be precise. Pairing these to the OnePlus 6T should have been easy, but due to some issues, I faced some problems pairing with it. So I had to pair it with my device in normal old-fashioned method. As Bluetooth 5.0 offers excellent connectivity and range, these will work just fine without any troubles. OnePlus claims 10 hours of usage time in just 10 minutes of charge, as these support warp charge and has a battery backup of 20 hours. I'll have to use it to see if these claims are justified. These come with a 9.2mm driver. Here OnePlus has done some cost cutting. These earphones are sweat and water resistant and are rated at IP55. They also come with a low latency mode, but which only works with OnePlus Fanatic mode on OnePlus devices above 5 series.
So I will be using these earphones and will be testing all the features for some time ahead. So stay tuned for the review which will be coming soon. Like if you liked it, dislike if you didn't. Either way, your feedback helps us. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out the review. So that's it for this video. Peace.